Hello everyone. Very good morning, good evening, good afternoon from depends on the time zone which you are watching this video. So I welcome you all to the SC training session which is Microsoft Cybersecurity Architect. My name is Gaurav and we will start discussing on our entire course about SC 100. All right. Let's get started for this session. So now if I'll talk about that course introduction, then as I said, this is a cyber security architect. So this is basically the combination of all the SE series courses which we have in Microsoft security. We have, as we know, we have SE 900 which is fundamental, and then we comes to the associate level wherein we have SE 300, SE 400, SE 200 and so on. So and we have another level series also which is also associated which is ms 500 and ag 500. So this is sc 100 course wherein you are going to design your architectures for your organization security requirement by using all these understanding. So sc 300 is all about Microsoft identity and access administrator, and sc 400 which means that Azure Active Directory, like it's all about that Microsoft 365 compliance center which is now renamed as Microsoft Purview Center, wherein you will get to learn how do you classify your data, how do you apply data loss prevention policies and all that steps to information protection administrator. So if I talk about that, SC200 is all about security operation, where usually we talk about that Microsoft 365 Defender, and then we talk about that Microsoft Sentinel and different flavors of Microsoft Defender for cloud. So that's all about that SC200 course, which is Microsoft security operation. Then MS500 is all about that security administrator, and then AG500 is all about that kind of infrastructure level security you will get to learn in AG500. When we comes to the SC100, which is very recently launched course by Microsoft, and that is named as a cyber security architect. So those who are planning their career as security architect, or you know something at level of architecting level wherein you will be designing the security architectures, you will be applying the solutions with respect to the organization security requirement and so on. So if you have this level of knowledge, you are gonna rock into your organization. That's what I can promise right now. So Microsoft Cybersecurity Architect will definitely have some kind of expertise in designing and evolving the cyber security strategies for protecting their organizational resources, no matter whatever that resources, whether it is on premise, whether it is on cloud, or whether your organization is having the hybrid infrastructure. So starting from identity and access till everything related to your infrastructure. So that all combines together as a cyber security architect course. So learners should be having certain prerequisites to know take this course ahead. You should have identity and access understanding with respect to Azure Active Directory, and you should have understanding about that platform protection, such as how do you work with the Azure firewall, how do you work with DDoS protection, which is distributed denial of service plans, and how do you work with the network security group, application security group, and so on. Now here comes the course agenda. There you will find 4 modules, but here you can see there are 10 modules, so which means that these first, second, third module considered as first module, then these two modules, fourth, fifth considered as second module, 6, 7 and 8 considered as third, and 8, 9 and 10 considered as fourth module. So do not think that here we have 10 modules and there we have only 4 modules. It's just divided as a part of understanding. First 3 module is all about understanding what is zero trust architecture, what is a zero trust model, how do we implement that zero trust with respect to identity, with respect to security operations, and with respect to overall security strategies and architecture for your organizations. Then we have GRC. What is that GRC? What you wanna do it? It's all about that regulatory compliance strategies, and how do we evaluate the security postures for your organization and manage the related risk. Then we will be talking about that infrastructure security part, wherein we will understand what are the certain best practices for your infrastructure security. And while designing your infrastructure security architectures and something related to securing your PaaS, IaaS and SaaS, then module number 9 and 10 is all about data and application strategies. So that's all about that course agenda.